Hello everyone, you want viral, happy birthday photos. Please like, share this video and subscribe also. Watch this video till end. First, we open Gemini application. Then click Create Image option and then open Gallery. And add one photo as you like. Then paste, prompt and click Send button. Wait for a second, your amazing birthday photo are ready. Prompt link in video's description. Similarly, you can try all prompts one by one. And don't forget to subscribe.